Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Today's topic is 17 best flowering succulents to grow indoors and outdoors. Succulents and cacti are not just about glossy, fat foliage, thorns and textures. They are succulents, they're flowers as well. Christmas cactus. A blooming Christmas cactus plant can be a great gift for holiday season. If properly cared, it bears beautiful warm colored flowers in the shade of purple, pink and red. Crown of thorns. The prolific bloomer is probably one of the best flowering succulents in our list. It requires minimal care to look well, grows successfully as a houseplant. It can be grown outdoors easily. Pincushion cactus. Pincushion cactus is a drought tolerant and very easy to grow. And it is a succulent collection for its flowers and overall ball shaped look. When growing indoors, provide the plant at least 4 hours of sunlight. Rock purslane. Tall stems protrude above the dense foliage and produce a bunch of lovely magenta flowers. Although the flowers last only one day, new ones are ready to take their place soon in the blooming season. Afterglow. Among other Equivarias, Afterglow has the prettiest blooms and attractive lavender shade rosette of leaves. Outer edges of leaves are splashed with beautiful pink, cheerful reddish blooms, gives this plant an overworldly look. Growing requirements are similar to Echeveria. For best color, keep it in full sun. Marble buttons. The unusual marble like shape up the interest of many. The leaves fuse to form a special spherical dome that possess a chalky, hairless, and smooth texture. In autumn, clove scented yellow to golden to dark orange flowers adore it and make it more charming. Flowering Kalanche. This evergreen plant is available in a variety of sizes and flower colors. Obate shaped dark green foliage make it attractive, but that is not enough. The colorful blossoms make it a must have houseplant. Jade plant. Jade plant is one of the best house plants for beginners. It can be 3-4 feet tall indoors when kept in ideal conditions. Glossy, oval shaped, dark green leaves are its main asset, but flowers as well. Getting a jade plant bloom is tricky indoors but not difficult. The star shaped flowers range from white to pink in color, appear in late winter or early spring. Purple ice plant, not only noticeable for its needle like leaves but also for the daisy like purple flowers blooming all summer long and full. Growing about 3-4 inches tall, it spreads quickly. An excellent choice for ground cover. Choose well drained dry soil and sunny spot to grow it. Red yucca. The Gave family succulent plant is more like an ornamental grass in appearance, but due to its beautiful flower stalks and flowers and low requirements, it's better alternative. Extremely drought and heat tolerant, it grows best outside in hot climates. Peanut cactus. Compact in size, this plant looks like peanut shells with large flower heads. It blooms in abundance in the stunning shade of white and orange. To grow, keep it in the part sun in hot climates and full sun in cool climates. Hameli cobweb house leek. The roseate forming small succulent is unique. The red and green color leaves are covered with spider web like cilia. The flowers are star shaped and pink in color and appear on the raised stem. Aloe flower varieties aloe vera, caro aloe. There are many species in aloe genus that displays attractive flowers. Desert rose. This showstopper succulent can also be displayed as bonsai specimen due to its fat trunk. The flower appears in spring and summer in cold climate and year-round in warm climate in the glorious red, white or pink if kept in full sun. Lifesaver cactus. The star-shaped flowers are articulated with beautiful zebra stripes and a do not shaped ring at the center, doing equally well in both indoor and outdoor conditions. It does not tolerate cold, drafts, and frost. Orchid cactus. This relative of Christmas cactus looks best in hanging baskets. Long stems are broad and serrated, look so aesthetic when sloping down from the basket with showy flowers forming at the end. The flowers can range from pink, red, white, orange, purple to bicolored. Ruby ball, a unique addition to your office desk or indoor tabletop because of the unusual chlorophyll. Less top colorful bodies. Other than red and orange, there are variants of 15 different colors, including purple, yellow, and white. So, friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you like this type of information, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and add a comment. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.